Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in these videos, I'm going to be telling you the best app that pays you money just doing simple thing online. So if you want to know this particular app I'm talking about, so you just need to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more any morning app. So I'll be telling you how it work and how you can earn on it. So and the payment method they use. So let's go there. So this is the app. So this app pays you when you answer, when you write this word here, this particular word is in this place. So let's write it. So when you write it, and press submit, so it's going to load hard. So let's wait for this one to load finish, and we're going to press cancel. So we will cancel it. You're earning 1 coin per capita word you write. Can you see 1 coin? So when you write this thing here, you're earning 1 coin here. So when you also press it, it's still the same thing. When you write this thing here, you're also earning 1 coin here. So that's all about this site. So just imagine you do it up to 1,000 times in a day, so you're earning 1,000 coin, and it's very simple. Within 2 hours you can earn up to $40 within 2 hours, and the minimum payout is $40 on this side. The minimum payout, that's 2,000 coin. Wow, 2,000 coin is very easy to get here when you have 2,000 coin doing simple thing. So come here now, you go to what withdraw, you have total is 3 coin. So I will show you my payment proof of this site. So this is just a new app that just come outside. So you can withdraw on 2,000 coin. When you get to 2,000 coin, pay, add cash, PayPal. So and they want to remove, no fee, no fee. This one is fee. If you want to use PayPal, they're going to remove fee. So and it's what $40. When you click here, you're going to what, you do your money to what, $40. You can also use pay. For those of you that do not have, you can also use pay. Enter your account detail. You're going to put your account detail in this place, and you want to withdraw your money, you get your money. Can you see the minimum withdraw is what, 2,000 points? You're seeing your money immediately after 5 minutes. So that's all about this site. So any question you ask me in the comment section, so I'll be pinning the app in the comment section for more. So thanks for watching. So if you answer it, can you see that answer it? You press what, submit, 4 coin. The more you answer is the more game dollar you earn, the more game dollar you're earning on it. So it's very simple, just like that. Very simple, very simple. Any question, you need to ask it in the comment section. This site is really paying and it's legit. So I've browsed it and people say yes, it's legit. A lot of people have withdrawn from it. Thousands of people have withdrawn for it. So I'll keep doing it. So when I get to the minimum payout today, I'm gonna post it in my short videos, and you watch it, you see that it's legit. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.